Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens for better trading opportunities or diversification, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the crypto world. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and KuCoin. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any necessary verifications. It's crucial for security. Once that's done, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your XDC wallet. You'll see your balance there. Ensure you have enough XDC to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, initiate the withdrawal from Coinbase. Click on the Withdraw button for XDC, and select the network you want to use. Typically, XDC uses the XDC network for transfers. Enter the amount you wish to send, then paste in your KuCoin deposit address. Wait, how do you get that address? Simple, hop over to KuCoin, go to your wallet, select XDC, and copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's correct to prevent any lost funds. After confirming the details on Coinbase, review the fees and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's sent, keep an eye on your KuCoin account for the deposit to appear. Pro tip: in 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or additional KYC requirements that could pop up. And there you have it. Your XDC is now safely transferred. This method keeps your assets moving smoothly between exchanges. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.